Chicago has no chill. It's just no chill.
I'm richer and no prior. Here's the crew. What are they gonna do? Beat them up. We're gonna put their lips on a hot tail. You get it, you motherfuckers.
You feel the power between your legs? That's a Binelli.
All right, guys. Hey, it's Justin with Misguided Motorsports here. I'm on a Yamaha Jog today. We're gonna do a pipe tires on it. Blah blah blah.
I just wanted you to get a picture of it on your phone for the story.
What is this?
I don't know what year it is. What year is this, Ryan?
94.
It's a 94 Jog, and it's fucking purple and really rare. It's an exotic scooter. It is. Tell him.
$2 grand.
Tell him. How much?
$2 grand.
$2 grand.
Nope. Nope. No free advertisement.
Hey, come hang on to your pipe.
Did you see that?
So what are we doing right now, Ryan? We're de-restricting the exhaust?
Yeah, these scooters, you know, they're from Europe mostly, you know, overseas, and they got restrictions and laws. We ain't got that here. Just fucking bashing that bitch out.
So they weld a washer in to restrict it. What are you looking at? You're freaking me out. Did you get it out?
No. Is this good?
Yeah.
How are we supposed to do this? Who does this right? I feel restricted right now.
I'm gonna fucking put you all over the internet.
No.
I think this is the first time that we've shipped engine ice. Pretty exciting stuff. This guy's got a big order. Every order is made with love.
I don't know. He said he got fucking chlamydia or something over the weekend.
Makes sense.
I swear. Well, the bike's getting ready for Mini Monday already. Don't mind us. Don't mind us. We got plenty of room in his truck.
Just got a body in there.
Jesus Christ. I guess we'll take this out. Put a tire on it.
Yeah.
We're never gonna be able to get out of here. I'm never fucking getting out of here. It's all stripped to shit. I can't just take packages to the post office on this fucking thing. Man, you just keep crawling back, huh?
Yes, sir, I do.
Tell us about this thing, huh?
It's a 2022 CRF 110, so it's brand new. I went ahead and powder coated everything as far as like the frame, the cases. 12-inch front wheel to match the rear, kind of make it more look like a supermoto. They're both 120s, front and rear. So basically they're the same size front ground tire.
Got it.
So.
Shut up. It's so much taller than a stock one.
Oh yeah, definitely, yeah.
That shock's taller than too, right?
So
or
it's
longer.
the shock, and then it's got a plus 1 inch spacer in the front.
What about drop-ins in the front? Nothing?
So the front, yeah, the front has springs in it and cartridges up front, so which brings it.
You put some serious business into this thing.
Oh yeah, definitely.
That's a Mini Monday machine.
Yes, sir.
This place.
Fucking Mini Monday's lit. Fucking lit.
All the way from Reno, Nevada. Boys. The boys pulled up.
Chicago has no chill. It's just no chill.
little single shot. You want to finish this for me? Good times, man. Even a Monday night in Chicago is bigger than any other night in any other city.
I'm richer and no prior. Here's the crew. What are they gonna do? Anytime these motherfuckers run a track over, we're bringing the chariots and heat them up. We're gonna put their lips on a hot hill. You get it, you motherfuckers. You heard the man. WBBM Broadcasting. News media around the world. Look, you got a parachute. There's this purple one.
The guy brought it in because his girlfriend dropped it, and now it won't start. So he said, figure it out. So that's what I'm doing. And right now we got no fuel pump priming. All the electronics come on, but well, it's on right now. But if you shake this, it's real intermittent. Listen. I think that fuse popped out of its housing somehow, because when I opened it, it wasn't there. So I think it was just sitting in there real loose. But I put it back in and we got fuel pump. Throw a battery in here for him too. Nice lithium, guys. We stock them. Parts unlimited. It's got the test light on the top. Definitely a battery he'll have in there for a long time. Is it working? Why is this so tight? They make that really tight. Like a toy gun. You feel the power between your legs? That's a Binelli. That's a fun little bike.
You like it?
Yeah, why not? Not bad. Not bad at all, Binelli. The N-double-B. Not bad, Binelli. You like that?
This thing's clean.
You like it?
I like it a lot.
I'm excited about it. You want to ride it? And then maybe just, yeah, you got it. You lost your hat.
You weren't kidding, it's pretty fast.
Did you even go fast on it?
I lost my head.
It's a crazy power band, isn't it?
Can I go get my head real quick?
Yeah.
What's going on?
What's up?
Here he is. I got some stuff for you guys. These ginger chews. Ooh. Kara likes those. Brian loved them last night. He went through an entire bag in like an hour. And then I got you some.
Maybe I need some ginger.
I got you some beef sticks too. Some more than one.
Guys.
Your favorite?
Yeah, the jalapeno ones?
I got every flavor. They got jalapeno, breakfast sausage.
Come on.
What are you doing to the bike?
Everything. Not a scratch on them. Sweet. And then I can take all this apart on the inside. Tight. Because they've never come off before, like brand new lines. They're just so snug, you know, they haven't been on and off 100 fucking times. I know there's one more hooked up somewhere.
What are you doing to it right now?
Putting on a different stay. And then I'm gonna take the radiator down.
You got a radiator guard and everything?
Yeah. And then I can put it all back together. Put the cages on. And put the plastics on and... Well, I'll probably do the triple in the bar as well. It's all apart too.
Yeah, pretty much done that way then.
Yeah.
Do you have a second fan for it too? Or?
I do not. You could put one on there. I don't think it needs it because with the ECU flash, they changed the kick-on time. I don't know what it is exactly. It might be like 170 they come on now, you know? Pretty slick stuff. Haven't even opened it yet. Had to keep the cobwebs off it. And you can tell that it's a stunt stay because of the way that it is. That'll be pretty slick. So I just felt a drop of water on my hand and now I'm wondering, is there a leak at Misguided?
We're investigating this one.
Get up there, get up there, get up there.
What was that, like right here?
Well, I was sitting right here and it dripped on my hand. And I'm not crazy because other people saw that my hand was wet.
I'm not really seeing it. I can't really see past the tile in front of me. I can't see past it. Okay, I'll let you up there. I didn't see anything. The ceiling looked a little cracked, but I don't think that was
I've gotten into a couple ceilings in my day.
Man, they've replaced a lot of fucking pipes in here.
I don't see anything leaking. It doesn't look wet, the tiles, but I don't fucking get
It
it.
would be like an entire puddle there.
I know. Am I real? So McDonald's has announced, and courtesy of Nick, adult Happy Meals. I thought it was supposed to come in a box.
I thought so too.
What the fuck happened with that? Super disappointing stuff. I was hoping for a box. Stupid.
They gave you seriously two of the same ones.
McDonald's Happy Meal. 2 thumbs down.
WBBM Broadcasting. News,